Hi everyone, just wanted to take a minute to talk about how to construct an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. So essentially our end goal is going to be that inside of the circle, you're going to have an equilateral triangle. So what you're going to do to start off is you're going to take your compass tool and you're going to put it anywhere on the actual circle itself, right? And then you're going to connect it to the center of your other circle, right? So these ones have the same radius. Okay, so these right here will have the same radius. Now, I'm going to just kind of draw these two arcs where they intersect. That's a pretty common start. So obviously, the distance from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. Okay, I'm going to move this over to that other point of intersection. It doesn't matter which one you move it to. It doesn't matter if you move it to the top or to the bottom. Right, so I'm going to draw this. I'm going to draw this. Okay, so I'm again going to have the arcs. Now, this is probably very similar to some of the other ones that you've drawn in the past, right, where you're kind of like going all the way around. And what do you notice kind of about all of these, right? Like these are all the same distance from here to here. They're the same distance from here to here. And all we've been doing when we're moving these, right, is we're just moving really the same distance every time. So you just have to be careful that you don't accidentally move the compass. But it makes sense that this is going to then create a bunch of equidistant segments if I then drew in the segments, right? So now that I have these all the way kind of around, I could have done one more, but I don't need to, right? So I'm going to draw my segments, right? And assuming I did this correctly, all of these should be the same distance. Now, be careful because you probably saw when I went to go put this one over here, the segment almost went to the arc as opposed to the circle, so be careful, all right? It is a very easy mistake to make because you wouldn't even realize you did it, okay? And there you have it. All right, my other recommendation to you, as always, again, just be careful. You can start anywhere, but really you just need to make sure that you don't move the arc, don't move the compass, and that you go far enough around. All right, so let me know if you have any questions and have a great day.